Did you know you can make lasagna in the crock pot without boiling the noodles first? It's so good and really easy. Let me show you how. You'll start by sauteing some onion and garlic over medium heat until it smells delicious, and then you'll add a pound of ground beef. I recommend using sirloin with a low fat content for the best flavor and the least amount of grease. You'll season it with salt and pepper and some oregano, breaking it apart and letting it brown. Meanwhile, make the cheese filling. I always recommend shredding your own cheese. My kids love helping with that step. You'll mix 15 ounces of ricotta cheese with an egg, a cup of that shredded mozzarella, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan, and then you'll season it with salt and pepper. Once the beef is cooked through, pour in a jar of your favorite marinara. I always add a little bit of water to the jar, shake it, and then pour out the rest. Let that heat through, and then you can start building your layers. Start with sauce on the bottom, and then this is the best part. You'll add the uncooked noodles, breaking them apart to fit like a puzzle. I have a 6-quart slow cooker, and it takes about 2.5 noodles to make a layer. Top that with some cheese, and then repeat 2 more times. You'll end with sauce and then top it with about a half a cup of shredded mozzarella and another quarter cup of grated parm. Make sure everything is tucked in so you don't get any dry, crunchy noodles on top. Cover and cook it on low for 3.5 hours or until the noodles are soft. Every slow cooker runs differently and you know yours best, but 3.5 hours works perfectly in mine. You might need closer to 4 to 5 hours, but I don't recommend cooking it on high. Leave it uncovered to set for about 10 minutes before you slice it. That's it, perfect layers every time and no dealing with boiling noodles.